All right, this is a pretty cute little simple Christmas tree. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this light up miniature Christmas tree. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. It's cute. So this is about 2 feet tall or so. It has all these little lights on it. It has the cute little red berries. It does have the fake, what do they call it, the flocked snow on it as well, which when you first take this out, some of that does kind of come off a little bit, so shake it outside before you bring it in your house. But it does look really pretty. It has this little base that it came with, so it kind of sits in here. You don't have to have anything to put it in. Turn it around here. Back here somewhere, oh, apparently I hit it really good. Here it is. There's the little battery box. On there, there's a on button, an off button, and a timer button. And it sounds like the timer button is gonna make it so this will be on for 8 hours and then it will turn off. So that's kind of neat. You can turn it on, have it on in the evening, but it'll shut off at night. It's cute. If you're looking for a cute Christmas decoration, or if you only have space for a little tiny tree, it's pretty cute. You can tell I didn't fluff that side, and I fluffed that side. And it's pretty cute though. I like it. Everything on it, like you can kind of move these a little bit. They don't really bend and stay in place, but when you bend them out, they do. But the branches themselves, like you can't like bend and tip them up, but you can fluff it pretty good. It's got a good amount of lights on it as well. If you're looking for a cute little Christmas tree, we recommend this.